Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now.
Goan Crab Sukka, also called Crab Sukke, a true coastal favorite from Goan cuisine, known for its mild spices, freshly grated coconut, and the rich natural sweetness of crab meat that creates a flavor-packed, delicious dish. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for Goan Crab Sukka. This classic Goan seafood dish features tender juicy crabs cooked with onions, tomatoes, aromatic spices, freshly grated coconut, and a hint of pepper heat that gives it a beautifully balanced, semi-dry texture. It's a perfect dish to enjoy with rice and curry, poi, or even as a special weekend seafood treat. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious Goan Crab Sukka recipe. Step 1. Preparing the crabs. We have taken around 750 grams of crabs. We got 7 medium-sized crabs. To clean a crab, disconnect its big claws or legs like I have shown and break them into two. Then cut the tips of the legs and discard.
Hello everyone, do check out our new channel Get Cooking Global for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. The link for the channel is provided in the comments and description box, or simply comment Get Cooking Global and we will send you the link.
Remove the belly flap, which is also called the abdominal apron, and discard it. Remove the top shell the way I have shown. Then remove the gills and discard it. Clean the inside of the crab nicely. Once done, cut the crab into two like I have shown. Similarly, clean the other crabs. Wash the crabs properly and thoroughly. Drain out the water and place all the washed crabs in a mixing bowl. Add half teaspoon of salt and mix well. Cover and keep them aside for at least 15 minutes to marinate and become ready for cooking. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Take 2 medium-sized onions, cut them fine. 2 medium-sized tomatoes, cut them fine. 2 medium-sized green chilies, cut them into 2 and then slit them. 6 medium-sized cloves of garlic, cut them fine. 1/4 cup of coriander or cilantro leaves, cut them fine. 1/2 cup of freshly grated coconut. Take half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, half teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt. Step 3. Preparing the crab sukka or crab sukke. On medium heat in an open thick bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the onions. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Once the onions are translucent, add the finely cut garlic pieces. Add a little oil in the center where the garlic pieces are placed. Stir everything nicely. After around 2 minutes, add the slit green chilies and stir. Once the onions are slightly golden brown, add the finely cut tomatoes. Instead of tomatoes, you can also add kokum or tamarind juice. After a minute, add half teaspoon of salt. Mix everything nicely. After a minute, add the turmeric or haldi powder Also add the cumin or jeera powder. Add the black pepper powder. Add 2 tablespoons of water. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Then add the Kashmiri red chili powder. Stir everything nicely. Once the tomatoes are slightly soft, add the crabs. Mix them gently. Cover and cook for around 10 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the pan. Add little water if required. After around 10 minutes, open the pan and stir everything properly. Add the sugar. Add the freshly grated coconut. You can add more or less coconut depending on your preference. Stir everything nicely. We added around 2 tablespoons of water. Add some of the finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves. Cover and cook for around 3 to 5 minutes. After 3 to 5 minutes, stir everything properly. Check for salt and add if required. Cook the crabs overall for 15 to 18 minutes or until it is cooked. Garnish with the remaining finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves. Enjoy it hot with rice, curry, bread or poi. You can also enjoy it on its own. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed. Do share it with your friends and family members who are fond of crabs. Delicious Goan Crab Sukka or Crab Sukke is ready.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.